the payment method UI. Now after we will make this my orders UI. Okay, so for this is the UI for my order. So here at the top it is a tab bar which is ongoing, completed, and cancel, and below is the products item. Okay, so now to make this UI, so what are we going to do is like my orders page. So here what we'll do is like let me payment method and copy this app bar code, and then where was it? Yeah, return scaffold, and here it will be my orders, and in your body, since we need the, I think in the body let just be column. Okay, now since we need the, what we need is bottom. Okay, so I think we need tab bar. So in the scaffold I think we have bottom, maybe bottom, I think yes, a bar and bottom sheet. I think in the bar we have bottom features, that might be. So let yeah, here before size use it, here it is the bottom. Okay, so in this my orders, so here nothing UI is shown, so let us have this bottom. Okay, so this is the my orders. Now in the bottom here we can have tab. I think we can have tab bar. Yeah, tab bar, and in the tabs we can have tab, and here we can have text, and let it be ongoing, and the same for it. Copy, paste, completed, cancelled. Okay, so let us reload the application. No tab controller for tab bar. So we must create a controller, okay, for this tab bar. So here we should make this stateful. Okay, let us make this stateful widget. Then what we need is, since for the tab bar we need the controller that have animation. Okay, since it have the animation. So for this, what we have to do is with single trigger state mixing. And after this, what we have to do is support.init state, and we have to define that is tab controller. Since it is with let, so it is defined lately. Tab controller, let it be controller. Yeah, this will be fine. Controller is equal to controller. In the controller we pass tab controller, length will be 3, and basic is this. Okay, so after this what we have to do is, so it is the controller. Now where I think in the tab bar there is controller. Yeah, sorry, yes, in the, sorry, controller, where was it? Was it in the, yeah, it, controller and controller. And let us just reload the application and let's see what it will show. So dependent dot empty is not true. Okay, so what here the mistake, dispose it. Okay, dispose the controller dot dispose. So after we dispose it, and in here I think let me just do one thing, is scrollable to, and in the body also I think we have to pass this features. Okay, that the selected tab content will be shown here. Okay, tab bar view, and in the children what it will be. So at first child. So here at first in the bottom this tab bar, here the at the above this title will be shown, and the selected title content will be shown here. Okay, so why here there is controller. So let me show, I think. Okay, so center child text text ongoing. After this, let me just do one thing. 2 3 completed, and then I think what was it, cancelled. Now after this I think here also we need controller. Okay, yeah, here also we need controller. So let me just make it down. Controller controller, yeah, in both we need controller. Okay, uh, after we reload the application, yeah, okay, so the content is shown now. And let me do one thing, I think we need to have in changing app theme. Okay, so let us make changing tab bar theme. Tab bar theme. Okay, tab bar theme, I think it is data. Tab bar theme data, and here what can we have is, let us just view here. Okay, indicator color. Okay, indicator color, let it be uh, common color dot shape blue color, and unselected label color will be common color dot shape black color, and label color will be common color dot shape blue color, and let the label style, okay, will be text style, and let it be font size be 18 and font weight be font weight of 500. Okay, so let us view just what changes will be seen here. So dependence dot is empty. Okay, so why this error is shown? Let us just have this duplicate global key detected in widget tree. Okay, so this just comment this. Okay, tab. I think maybe this is the reason. So duplicate global key. Okay, let me first restart the application at once. So the application is restarted. Now my orders completed. Okay, let me just uncomment this. Okay, so reload the application. Okay, completed, cancel, ongoing. I can scroll the application, yeah, without being selecting. Yeah, this one ongoing, completed, cancel. This one is fine, yeah. So we have made, I think in here W400. Let me make this change. Okay, what will be updated here? Yeah, I think this one is fine. So I think for the unselected level also we have, yeah, for this also we can have this. Okay, let me reload the application. And yeah, this one I think W5 is much better. So now after this, we have to make the product. Okay, so for this, what we can do is, let me now this, and we can just scroll down here. So now after here, we have this, I think, ongoing and the product like this. Okay, so I think now previously in the home page, what we have is like this. Okay, this type of product. So we can just modify this code. Okay, so let me just, sorry, let in home page we have this code. Okay, so best sellings. So we can just modify this code. Okay, so based on this, let us just move to home page. I think where was it? Yeah, home page. And this is a build product card. Just copy this code. Now in here, tab bar content. The first content will be ongoing tab. Okay, so widget. So let me view. I think list view sort separated. Let the height be. Let it be. I think we don't need height here. Height here. Okay, so yeah. Also, let us remove this size box also. Okay, so remove this and let us have this vertical. And if vertical, then it will be 0.95. Box decoration same as it is. Column start, radius circular, name, image. As I think height will be 0.2 and 5. Yeah, this one. I think we don't need this stack one features. Okay, let me just get one thing. This image features, clip rect features. Yeah, these features, and I think we don't need this stack widget. Okay, so stack widget we don't need it. Remove it, and this primary padding also remove this. And here what we can see is, at first this is the row content, and this both content image and this wooden bed like this data. I mean this product detail is in the row form, and this cancel and track order is in the row form. So that means we have to make it in the column. Then we have to wrap it with, I think, row. Then what we can do here is, again, inside the row we can give this children and clip rect image. Then this wooden bed and the price of it are in the column form. Okay, so let us give it in the column form. So clip rect child children. So let us just copy. Sorry, let us just copy this code, details of it, and paste here. And it must be in the column form. Okay, column. Let remove it. Sorry, let remove it. And we don't need this icon button. So after this, it is in the row form. Like the product image and product details in the row form. Now in the column, again we have this, since this button are in the row form. Okay, so children, and at first it is primary outline button. I think, yeah, primary outline button, and cancel same as it is. And let me just, and here is comma left. Okay, so after this, primary elevated button, yeah, primary button, and what was it? Track order. Okay, track order. So now here we have this. Let it be main axis alignment dot space around. Yeah, it will be fine. Now we have to use this in above. So for this child, I think, yeah, let it have build product card and common image dot I product one. Yeah, this one is fine. This is the content for this first ongoing tab. Okay, so let me reload the application. Application is, I think, reloaded. Go to my orders. So this is the content shown currently. Okay, and I think we need the padding. Tab bar view. I think it is primary padding, and just reload the application. Yeah, padding has been applied. So now let's just I think let it view image height width. Let us just give this image height be like, okay, let us view it. What is it? And here I think in the cross axis alignment start. Okay, and here also we need to give cross axis alignment dot start. Okay, cross axis alignment dot start, and let us reduce the height 0.15 0.4, and let us see the change what it will be. Okay, this is height is slightly small, and I think we have to use this button also. Okay, so let me just, I think we can use simply flexible here. If not flexible, then we can use expanded. Okay, or we can just keep the what width. Okay, flexible is much better. Now let us give spacing 10.0. Okay, and it has been spaced. Let us, okay, then after this, what we can do is like here also we need spacing, so spacing, okay, in the column also. Let us give spacing 50.0. Okay, yeah, this one is much fine. So after in here in the separated builder, I think we have to give size box will be, height will be, let us give 15. Yeah, in here also 15 size box height. That will create the gap. Yeah, this one is much fine. So okay, so what was the UI like here? Okay, so I think let us just give this instead of flexible, we give manually the, what was it called? Yeah, width. Okay, so remove this widget on press. Sorry, and size get screen, not is like this. Size get screen size context dot width into 0.435. Let us keep like this, and 50. Copy this code and also here paste it. Now let us view the UI. Okay, so what it will be? Yeah, I think this one seems correct. Mm, so in this UI, I think we just need to reduce the image height also. Okay, that 0.15 seems to correct. And here also cross axis alignment, not cross axis alignment. Let us say main axis alignment dot space around here. This seems to fine. Okay, okay. I think cross axis alignment, main axis alignment, and let us have, yeah, cross axis. Okay, let me view here. The image is not okay. Let us, what we can have here is I think, let me view the UI. So the image must be to the top left. Okay, that is to the left side. So here there is slightly space between the image and this both. So what we can do is, okay, let me just remove this. I think we can have start, then spacing be 10.0. Okay, so let us view the UI. Yeah, this one seems to be much better. Okay, and I think in the below also we need some kind of spacing in the, okay, let me view it. After this row, what we can do here is, let me primary padding, sorry, it will be padding, what was it? Yeah, padding is inserts dot only I think bottom 10.0, and let us view the UI. Yeah, I think this seems to be much better. Okay, yeah, this seems to be much better. Okay, and if we scroll to this side, completed, cancel, and ongoing. So we can have same. Let me for now. I think so. We can give same UI. Okay, and same UI. Build product card instead of this. Sorry, what was it? Yeah, same this. And in here, let us give product for image, and let us have some image also here. Resets image. Product 4, not this one. Product 6, not this one. Yeah, this seems to be nice. Product 8. So for this, we have to give the image path. So in here, we give image path. Copy this. What was it? Product. I think product 8. That might be product 7 or 8. Yeah, this also seems good on. Let us give product 7. Product 7. And product 8. Product 8. So let me give the image. Common image at IPR. Let is 7. Reload the application and same in here in the completed. Okay, so yes, same we can do it. And in the console, in the cancel, I think so. In the UI, what we have is in this ongoing cancel and track order. In completed also same, but in the cancel tab bar we don't have both button. Okay, only the product image and its details. So what we can do is, so simple thing we can do is, let me just we can just uh, use one code instead of this. Okay, so what we have here is, like in the ongoing we have this cancel and track order elevated button, and same for completed tab. But in cancel we don't need this elevated button. Okay, elevated button, sorry, this both button, we need both, only this product detail and product image. So I think instead of creating here another function or another widget, what we can do is, like, we can just name this. Okay, so let me just do one thing. Okay, tab bar content, we can do what is tab bar content, and here we can just name it. We can name it. So let me build it. Build tab content, so it will be easier for us. And here what we need, at first we need this uh, image. Okay, so we need this image. So required. Okay, let me write required. uh, what was it? String I name. And after this, what we need is the name in this both button. Okay, cancel and track order. So for this, what we need is required string dynamic text. Okay, so that's why we need both text one and required string text two. So it is named parameters. Okay, so after this, what we can do is I name same as it is, and in here instead of this static string, we can type text one, and same here text two. And after this, we make these changes. Let me write remove this, and build tab content, and in here common image dot I pr1 pr1, and in the text what we can give is cancel, and in the text here too we can give track order. Okay, so it is more dynamic than previous one. So, and in this is same for completed also. Okay, this is same for completed, and here let me give separate image. But in third stage, that is, so let me just do one thing. And but for third stage, what we have is we don't need elevated button and outline button. Okay, so if we do like this, then it shows error that both text one and text two are required. But instead of doing this, what we can do is, so let me do like this. Sorry, not for this, and for this, so pass question mark, so that we can pass null value. And in here, what we can do is, okay, it now not null, that no null value will be provided. So okay, so let me show you one thing. When I don't pass any text value, then this both outline button and elevated button should not be shown. So if no text is passed, then this button must not be shown. Okay, so for this, what we can do is, so let me do show you one thing. Text one, if text one is not null, if null, sorry, and if text two also is not null, then if this condition satisfies, then this primary padding, that is this value will be shown. Okay, widget, that is this two elevated button will be shown. Now if it is null, if no value is passed, then what we can do is simply size box and yeah, simply this one. So let me just do one thing. Yeah, here I haven't passed any images for this third tab bar. Okay, so product 7, reload the application. The application is reloaded, and let me scroll. Completed, cancel. So here you can see the both elevated button is not shown. Okay, so this is the output that we need. So I think the UI for this my orders is also complete. Now let us dive to the UI of. I think when I so here logout tile. If I click on this logout, the dialog box must be shown where the question is asked whether we want to exit the application or not. If we click on yes, then we will move to login page. Okay, so for this, what we can do is we can move to this profile page. Okay, no profile utility model. This is the model of for this profile. Okay, okay. Now in here we have this on press function that is final void callback, and this is that have no arguments and return no data. So that means what we have to do is on press since it doesn't return any data, so we can simply write show dialog. So after this show dialog context, and here we can show alert dialog box. Okay, yeah, alert dialog box. In the title we can pass text that is log out, and I think in the sub content also we can pass text. Are you uh, sure to app exit the app? So question mark. Now semicolon here. Now in the I think in the actions we can pass like uh, I think we have primary text button also. Let me view it. Okay. Yeah, white text. No, we don't have any text. So let me. I think we can create the primary text button. Okay. So copy same code and primary text button dot same as it is. Primary text button. Sorry, text button it is. Text button on paste, and I think if text style text color, then black color border side around it. We don't need this, not this, and also not this. Okay, we can simply have this. So now primary text button name will be now is here to exit the yes, no. Okay, sorry. Now in here after this primary outline button might be not elevated button might be best. Yes, on paste, and I think here also we need. So let us just view the UI if we click on this logout button. Okay, sorry, logout tile. So logout. So this is shown now. What we can do is I think we can wrap it with row. Okay, so it will be much better. Okay, then okay, spacing 15.0, main axis alignment dot space. I think space built-in will be fine. Let me reload the application. I think the application hasn't been reload. So cancel this. So let us just. I think we can change the color of this dialog box also. Okay, colors dot white, and let us just do one thing that is change it to slightly this one, and in here I think we can have this build text. This one seems to be nice. Text log out, and in the theme select it dot body medium not null, and I think in here also content also we can pass same content. Where was it? Content, and let us use your to exit the app, and here body is small. Okay, so just let us pass body small comma. I think in here comma. So now let me reload the application, and let us view the UI. Log out. Okay, so slightly dark. I think we need slightly light. Okay, and we have to fix this yes button. Okay, so for this what we can do is we can give the size. Let me give just static size, that will be 30 comma 50. Reload the application. Successfully reloaded. Yes, let it be 50. So why is it space around? I think this is the case of 60. Let me why this is not being fixed. Let me just reload the restart the application at once. Okay. So the application has been restarted. That is the application has been restarted. Profile, logout. Yes. Primary elevated button, size. Why this error is shown? Let me fix it. I think this problem must not be shown. Why? Yeah, I think this was the case. So elevated button. Let me just give slightly smaller height. Okay. Yeah, this one seems to be nice. I will save to exit the app, and if I click on, so let me do one thing on paste. If I click on no, then navigator dot up context dot pop. I will not be routed to any another screen. So let me just log out. No. Okay, so this seems fine. Now I think we need this logout also in this. Okay, let me. Where was it? Yeah. Yes. Then I will be routed to login page. Okay. Dot sorry navigator of context dot push replacement name. What was it? Route name dot r login. So here is it is. Reload the application. So let us just view the UI. So here you can see after I click on yes, I am is routed to login page. Okay. So login home page. Sorry, if I click on this login button, I must be routed to main screen. Okay. So where is login page? I think it was in the auth. Yeah, in the auth login page. R dot home, not home. It is R main. Okay. So let me restart the application again. Okay. Let me restart the application. The application has been restarted. I think. Yeah, application has been restarted. Now log out. Yes. Then login. Yeah, this seems to be nice. And I think in this logout also we need this icon and text color to be red color. Okay. So for this, what we can do is for this logout. Okay. And the one problem I have seen is that if I click on this center of this list tile, then only I am is routed to this type of UI. Okay. So but if I click on this left side, then there is no routing. That is I am not is moved to any page. Okay. So to fix this, what we can do is simply wrap it with inkwell. Okay. Inkwell and here on tab. So data dot on press. Now remove this below on pressed. Now reload the application. So now if I click on anywhere, so let me click on edit profile. So I can be routed to edit profile page. Okay. So now after here, so here both all the tile color have same color. But in here logout, I want the logout text be red and the icon be red. Okay. So for this, what I can do is, yeah, in here icon color. If the data dot icon matches the icons dot logout. Okay. Then the color be red. So common color dot c red color. But if no, then null. Sorry, not like this. Okay. So I think same case for this text also. Okay. So in here, what we can do is like dot copy with sorry copy with then color pass this dot c red color dot text. If the text matches to log out log log out. So let me show you the output. So here you can see the text has been changed to red color of both icon and text. So I think we have completed the UI of this profile, and you can have your own UI for this settings page, my address, okay, and this. Okay, so now after this, here we have categories. We don't have to do anything here. In the settings, best sellings, we have this UI, and in the CL also we have this UI. Okay, now what we are going to do is we will be making the UI of this. I think we will be making the UI of this product details. Okay, I think where was it? Not like this, not like this. I think this one is the UI of product detail page.